I am Rajesh Gupta from California, United States. I am an AI visionary, an expert in delivering AI, analytics, and cloud projects. I am going to share my experiences and knowledge about AI with you. Artificial intelligence, often called AI, is a field focused on building intelligent machines. AI means teaching machines to act smart, like humans do. Instead of only following fixed instructions, the machine learns how to do things on its own. For example, just like a child learns by practice, a machine can learn to recognize faces or answer questions. These machines perform tasks that normally require human intelligence. AI systems can solve problems by finding patterns in data. They learn from experience by improving their results over time instead of being reprogrammed again and again. They can understand language by recognizing words, meanings, and intent, like when you talk to a voice assistant or chatbot. For example, when you use Google Maps, it solves the problem of finding the best route. Each time more people use it, the system learns which roads are faster or slower. When you speak and ask for directions, it understands your language and responds back to you. They recognize patterns, make decisions, and adapt to new situations. AI works like a smart helper that notices habits, makes choices, and improves over time. For example, a music app notices the songs you play again and again, decides what you might like next, and then adjusts its suggestions as your taste changes. It feels natural and smooth because the system keeps learning from what you do. The goal of AI is to enable machines to think, reason, and act independently. This allows systems to assist humans and automate complex tasks. Artificial intelligence can be divided into two main types. Narrow AI, also known as weak AI, is artificial intelligence that is built to perform one specific job. It does not understand or think like humans, it only follows the rules and data it was trained on. For example, when your phone unlocks using your face or Netflix suggests movies, that is narrow AI working behind the scenes. General AI, also called strong AI, refers to a future type of artificial intelligence that would be able to understand, learn, and apply knowledge across many different tasks, similar to how humans think. Unlike today's AI, it would not be limited to one job and could reason, adapt, and solve new problems on its own. General AI does not exist today, it is still a long-term research goal and a topic of scientific discussion. Narrow AI is designed for a specific task. It performs extremely well in one area, but cannot work outside that domain. Examples include voice assistants like Siri and Alexa. Recommendation systems on Amazon and Netflix are also examples of narrow AI. Amazon and Netflix use narrow AI because their systems are built to do one specific job, recommend things you may like. They look at what you watched or bought before and then suggest similar movies or products. They cannot think like humans or do other tasks, which is why they are examples of narrow AI. These systems are highly efficient, but they do not understand context beyond their training. They cannot generalize knowledge across different domains. General AI, also known as artificial general intelligence, aims to match human intelligence. Such systems would understand, learn, and perform any intellectual task that a human can. General AI remains a long-term goal. General AI is a kind of intelligence that scientists are still trying to build. Today's AI can do only one job at a time, but general AI would be able to do many different things like a human. It is like imagining a robot that can learn any work, teacher, driver, or doctor, but that kind of AI does not exist yet. While progress is ongoing, true human-level intelligence has not yet been achieved. We will learn about the history of AI in the following video. If this video helped you learn something, please like and subscribe.